Hey crafters, and welcome back to the channel. Thank you for checking out my latest video. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider hitting the subscribe button and becoming part of the crafty family. Today's video is a haul/recipe video. A few months ago, I found Aisha Curry's pot set at my local Target. They are beautiful, non-stick, and come in teal and brown sugar. I got the brown sugar set. The inside has a copper sort of rose gold look, so I thought it'd be nice to get some kitchen accessories to match them. After not having much luck at Target, I checked out Burlington Coat Factory and Marshall's home goods sections. They tend to have really beautiful items for very reasonable prices. This tea kettle, for example, was $10.99. The cutting board was from Marshall's and was $19.99. This motivational sign was clearance for $3 at Marshall's. The fake potted plant was $8 at Marshall's, and the colander was $7.99 at Burlington. I got these glass canisters for $2.49 and $3.49 at Marshall's. These utensils are all by a brand called Cook with Color, and I found them in Marshall's, and they were just what I was looking for. These mini utensils were $4.99 for the set. The tongs were also $4.99. These individual utensils were $2.49 each. These measuring cups and spoons were $5.99, and this wall mount sponge holder was $3.99. I think I spent about $100 total. Here's a few shots of what they looked like in my kitchen. I love the way this shaped up. So to christen these new babies, and feed myself, I thought I'd do a quick breakfast meal prep. So I'm going to make scrambled eggs with chorizo, peppers, and onions. I started by putting 2½ fresh chorizo sausages in some water and boiling them for about 20 minutes. While that's boiling, I cracked 5 eggs into a bowl and seasoned. I usually eat 1 egg per day, so 5 is the magic number for me. But if you're a 2-egg kind of crafter, then crack 10. I like to season with pink salt, pepper, and dried parsley for a bit of green. Set the eggs aside and dice up 1/4 of a softball-sized onion. Repeat with 1/4 of a red and yellow pepper. You could use green peppers if you have them. My grocery store just didn't have any today. Drain the sausage and allow it to cool before cutting up. I'm having half a sausage per day, so I cut up 2½. When I'm making breakfast for the boys, I tend to bake my bacon in a sheet pan, and I normally bake a whole pack of bacon at one time since there's so many of us. I reserve the grease and I use that to scramble eggs, sausage, vegetables. I put it in a lot of dishes, truth be told. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of bacon fat here, and you could use your own choice of oil or even cooking spray. Saute the sausage, onions, and peppers until the veggies are soft and the sausage is browned. Grab your 5 prep containers and evenly divide. You could use a food scale here if you'd like, but I'm not going to. These copper-lidded prep containers are Glad brand, and I found them in Target. Set them aside to cool, and with a clean pan, start the eggs. I melted half a teaspoon of bacon grease and scrambled the eggs dry, as I don't like my eggs wet. You could cook them for a tad shorter time than I did here, because when you reheat these, they'll cook a little bit further. Divide the eggs into your prep containers and top with your favorite cheese. I'm using Gouda, but I'll be adding it the day I eat them. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoy. If you like what you see and you want, you can find me on social, or you can support the channel on Patreon. The links are in the description.